What is up, people? So in this video we're going to take a look at the Neo by Lytmi. This is their HDMI sync box setup, kind of similar to the Phillips Hue sync box, but at a fraction of the price. So we're going to go ahead, go over some of the features of this. We'll get into the box. I'll show you everything that comes with this, and then we'll go ahead, set it up, and see how well it works. Alright, so some of the features here listed on the box. You're going to get immersive TV lighting experience. It's going to match with any size TV. On the side here, it shows you, it's got one that fits a 65-inch TV, which is, this is the one that I got. They got another one that's 70 to 90-inch TV, and then a third one which is 90 to 120-inch TV. So 3 different TV sizes there, which is nice, because I recently reviewed the Jovi brand, and I have an 82-inch TV, and I think theirs only went up to 70 inches. I made it work with my 82-inch, but as you can see, this one is a little bit more flexible as far as the size of your TV, so that's pretty cool. It does have app and voice control. So on the back here, it shows you the voice support, which is Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and then your Samsung SmartThings. And then it does have an app, and you can download it from your Google Play or App Store, or scan one of these QR codes. Back to the front here. Alright, so how this works is, it's got an HDMI sync box that comes with this. And what you're going to do is you're going to plug in a source to this HDMI sync box, and it's going to process all the colors, the lighting, and everything, and then shoot that out to the LED strip, which is going to be mounted behind your TV to mimic what's on your screen. So you're going to have some type of source, like a PlayStation, Xbox, that's going to plug into the HDMI box, maybe a Fire Stick, or maybe even a cable box. So this would be good for, you know, like gaming consoles, stuff like that. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and get in the box, and I'll show you guys all the components. Alright, so I got everything out on the table here. You're going to have 2 rolls of LED strips here. You're going to get your instruction manual, user manual. This is the HDMI box that I was telling you about that's going to process all the colors and send it back to the LED strips. Take a closer look at this. Over here, you're going to have your reset button, HDMI output, HDMI input, and then you got your 2 USBs for your LED lights. One is labeled side, one is labeled bottom, and then you got your power input there. Here's your power source. Then right here you got 4 corner brackets to mount the LEDs. You got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They actually give you 5 adhesives here for the corner brackets. You got HDMI. And that's going to be it. Real simple to hook up here. You're going to mount these LED strips to the back of your TV in the proper way, which is instructed here in the manual. You can use these corner strips if you like. I'm pretty sure that these LED strips have their own adhesive also. Take a look at it here. Yeah, so if you look on the back of the LED strips, it's going to have some 3M adhesive. So you're going to use that to stick it to the back of your TV. I don't see any alcohol wipes or anything provided here, so you're going to want to use some type of cleaner on the back of your TV just to get it clean before you use the adhesive on there, so you get a good stick. And like I said, then you'll be able to plug your, say, your gaming console or a cable box into this. Then you're going to use this HDMI cord for the output, and this is going to go to the back of your TV. You're going to plug in your 2 USB LED strips, plug it into power, and then you're good to go. Alright guys, so I got the TV flipped over here. Went ahead and installed the LED strips. I want to point out these LED brackets that the kit comes with. I think these are real nice, especially go around the corners there. It holds the LED strip in place, and it's great for like that curve that you get at the corner there. Then up here, it's a little bit different bracket because it doesn't have the curve here, because you get 2 sets of LEDs that these 2 are just meeting each other right here. So there's 2 different types of brackets. This one doesn't have the curve, as it just stops right there. But this one right here has the curve, because you're gonna pretty much, when you install these LEDs, you got 2 strips. One strip's gonna go down and then across the bottom, so you got the side and bottom, and the other strip's gonna go across the top and down the other side. So up in that corner you're gonna have another curve bracket for the LED strip. And then as you come down to here, this is where they're gonna meet. So there's not gonna be a curved bracket here, just where the 2 meet. But I think the brackets are pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead, hook up the box here, run the LED strips to it, my HDMI and power, put it back on the wall, and then we're gonna see how well this LED strip kit works. Alright guys, so I got everything hooked up here. Gonna do a little demonstration of how this Neo sync system works. Now I haven't tried the Hue box just because it's a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but this is pretty much the only competitor that I know to the Hue HDMI sync box. So really impressed with this Neo HDMI sync box, especially for the price compared to the Phillips Hue. Get everything you need to hook it up and The performance so far seems pretty accurate. They got their own built-in app, so you actually can change the LED lights if you want to your own colors, or you can have it in TV mode like it is currently right now. A lot of customizing you can do. Alright guys, so as you can see, this Neo sync box works pretty well. If you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box below. It'll be an Amazon affiliate link so you guys can pick up this sync box. I think right now it's like around $130, so not too bad. I like it. I think it's way better than the Govee. I actually want to switch out my Govee setup that I have on my 82-inch and put one of these Neo systems on there, because I think it just works a lot better than the camera that Govee has. Sync box setup is real accurate, looks real good. If you guys are interested, go ahead and hit that link in the description box, take you to Amazon, and you can pick it up there. If you guys got any comments or questions, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.